Welcome back to the cash flow investment longest Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so finishing up the shareholder return value. So just calculate the O, which is equals Q63 plus Q30 divided by O63 minus 1. So now I'm going to the Q and then do the next sum table for the shareholder return. Okay, equals S63 S30 followed by Q63 minus 1. 77.7%. Okay, now to the yes. S63 equals W63 W30 Q63 minus 1. Got to the division. Well, okay, so this does not need to be relevant. Okay, so it usually stops with S. So that's the shareholder return complete. And now we're going to the percentage future. This being an easier one, so a lot less difficult than shareholder return. What I simply need to do for percentage future, simply K60 divided by K. And then I'll the wrong ending. Okay, there we go. Try it from this letter. Same answer. Okay, so let's go to M. O. And now Q. And now U. Nope. So looks like that does it for the exhibit sheet. Everything is completed so far, but no numbers are, most of the numbers are not been updated because of the worksheet. The work, some of the worksheet figures are not yet calculated that I need to calculate for the time being. So once they are calculated, there will be number figures be updated into the exhibit sheet. Okay, so the worksheet will be now the next thing I need to do. I have to calculate the big tail and return on investment of the discount rate. E9 plus 1, so that equals 8. Now I have to calculate the growth rate for the worksheet. Let's see if I got it correct. The answer is 10%, so now the number 3 on the growth rate. 10 now to number 4 of the growth rate. %, so they're mostly going on to 10%. But who knows, maybe one of the numbers or two of them could be completely different. But let's keep going for the time being. Going to number 5 of the growth rate. Okay, this one's completely different. 0.085. So 5.0% for the 5th growth rate. So going to the 6th growth rate. 'This time it's 0.0775. The answer is 7.5%. And number 7 of the growth rate. 0.06. 6.0%. Number 8 of the growth rate. Yeah, remember there is no 8 growth rate because that was in the stop investments heading on the exhibit sheet. So only 7 growth rates. So actually, let's go back and check. Go back and check the growth rates on the exhibit sheet. Okay, there's still nothing just yet. So let's keep going on the worksheet and move on to the project return on investment. Zero dot 2. 20%. Number 2. 20% once again. So number 3. number 4. 5. 0.17. Number 6. 0.15. And then number 7, which is the last one. 0.12. Right, okay, so that's the growth rate and project return on investment calculated for the worksheet. Now I'll have to go down and calculate and present the rest of the details, but I won't be doing that now. So in the next video, stay tuned and watch for the update for this worksheet. So thank you all for watching this so far. Stay safe, wash your hands, have a good afternoon, and have a good evening. Adios.